Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how does YouTube TV work. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV or tv.youtube.com in the browser, and then as you can see they are saying that this is the best live TV streaming service overall, and I totally agree with this because all of my favorite channels are here and they have some amazing features. And then as you can see right here, when you scroll down, you can see all the channels when you click on that button. So right here, as you can see, there are a lot. So probably it has your favorite channels too. So yeah, you can just check it out right here in the website. And then when we scroll down, we'll be able to see more of their features right here. And what's great about this is here in the planning, as you can see, it has DVR. So what does DVR do? So it simply records your favorite channels or the content of it, maybe some series or movies that you want to watch later on. So you can do that with DVR. So it's a device or feature that would allow users to record television programming onto a digital storage medium. So you would have unlimited space for your recorded series or movies in your favorite channels, and you would have live 100 plus live channels with just the base plan and so on. Right here, you can just compare the plan on your own time, or you could just try it for free. They have a free trial available for you. And then the next thing, once you are subscribed now into the YouTube TV, let's go into the YouTube TV. This is how it would look like right here. So what's neat about this one is that let's go here, navigate into our profile and click on settings so that I can show you how you can add some channels that you want right here. So for example, you would want some add-ons, like you want the NFL Sunday Ticket, then you can just go it here. You would have some subscriptions right here. So yeah, this is pretty neat for me, especially if you are a fan of sports, or maybe you want some add-ons into your TV series or whatsoever right here, then you can have it right here. I think this one is really great. I personally like the NFL right here. I subscribe to this one. Also here in the area section is very important that you select the correct area so that you would have the appropriate channels that you would have or that you would want, because YouTube TV would only show you the channels that is available for your area. And here in your live guide, you would be able to see or prioritize some channels right here. So for example, you want to have some channels that you really like, then you can prioritize it right here. And yeah, those are pretty much the basics of YouTube TV. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.